Day in the crafty cooking life of the second best worst YouTuber. Diamond painting, crafty, not artistic, crazy cat lady. Welcome to my day in the crafty cooking life. Second best worst YouTuber, somehow doing it right. Diamond painting nights, drills on my hands. Crafty, not artistic, but I've always got a plan. Crazy cat lady with the camera in her hand. Come hang out and see the mess I accidentally planned. Learning to love myself, crown getting polished bright. Working on my glow, becoming the queen I know I am inside. Please like and subscribe to this Hot Mess Express.
Hey y'all, I'm back. I was so excited. I got home and there were packages. Oh, I don't need another craft hobby, but yeah, let's get into it. I got 3 packages from Amazon. I got 2 little small packages that came from Etsy. Let's start with the small packages. So this one, I don't know which one it is. I know which 2 were delivered today. Packed really well. We got styrofoam peanuts. Love that for us. Okay. Oh, I know which one this is. Okay. So this one came from Ohio. It is from Our Wren's Nest Shop. Wrens, like the bird. Okay. It is an Auburn cutter. It's an Auburn cutter. For clay. You can use it for cookies, but I'm going to use it for clay. And I did ask for the grip handle. So that is awesome. Because I have family members who are Auburn fans. And that one is a custom. Our Wren's Nest Shop does do customs. And you get a hold of her and you say, hey, can you make this one? And she sends you a picture of a workup or something. She happened to have this one. So, that afternoon, she was like, here's a picture of what we've already done. And I was like, perfect. It was $13.25. This is the 2.5 inch. This one's 2.5 inches, just so you know. It is the cutter and the stamp set. And I got a discount because it was either a coupon or either it was on sale. And then with postage and tax, it was $17.67. I'm not mad at it because I can't tell you how many times I'm probably going to use that for family members. Okay, so that is that one. Yay! So now I'm going to close that tab and go to the next one. That means I know which one this one is. And I'm going to get rid of the paperwork right here. I got Troy. Isn't it cute? I think it's adorable. And again, it is the cutter and the stamp. It has a little grippy handle. And it is from cookiecutterlady.com. Well, on Etsy, it's just Cookie Cutter Lady. But she has .com on around the handle. And it was $12.91. There was either a coupon or a sale because it says shop discount is $3.36. Postage and tax altogether, it was $16.30. And I've got some Troy fans in the family. So I will be using that one over and over. All right, we've got 3 boxes here of Amazon. Let's see what's in these. Oh, okay. Well, that's 2 different crafts in one bag. Cool beans. All right, so I got, really hope, yes, I got. This is for pottery. And these are pottery ribs. There are 2 that are metal. Now this one helps you scratch. It helps you scratch the pottery so you can combine 2 pieces. This one is for smoothing. And then I got 2 rubber ribs. I have to say that very carefully. 2 rubber ribs to help with smoothing. I'm used to these, but I've started using something like this. So here we go. And then, these are cool. I got some jewelry. Oh, the rubber ribs were $5.99 for 4. 2 metal, 2 rubber. Where's this at? This is right here. Okay, so this is 200 charms. Charms for jewelry making. And there are a whole bunch of different kinds in here. That's why I got it, because I never know what theme I want to do. And these were $11.99. Let me move it over. There you go. So I grabbed those 2. Mainly for beading, because I do beaded stuff. Okay, then there's this. Oops, sorry. I'm moving my mouse and it's going between 2 different screens. I can't tell where it is sometimes. This is 90-pound weight index card weight paper. This was $13.28. I am going to use this to make my own planner pages using the Penny Pages inserts. Since there's no more of the Penny Pages, she closed her store. If she was still open, I would still be getting her sheets, her pages. I am going to alter them a little bit. Just a little. So. But I'm not selling them. I'm not selling them. They're just my use. Just my use. And I may share the file with my best friend because I know she won't sell them either. All right, let's see what's in here. So we close that tab and go to here. Sorry, there's this. No, this is that box. Okay. All right, so let's get the heavy thing out. That's fun. Because this. Ooh. So I print my own sticker sets, y'all. I do. I print my own sticker sets. I love Etsy, and I use all types of shops on Etsy, especially Planner Pixie Co. Regular stores that have a printable version, I use Nerds, the Word Sticker Co. So I need lots of sticker paper. Sticker paper is expensive, but 8.5 by 11 shipping label paper is not that bad. This is 500 sheets for $39.99. I'm okay with that. I am. I'm okay with that. It is really good paper for your stickers if you print your own sticker stuff. And it is by Liked, Liked. And honestly, I just put in full sheet shipping label. So that's how I search for it, or how I did search for it. Okay. One at a time, one at a time. Okay, I got some more sheets for my 3-ring sticker binders. Because when I have leftover stickers, or let's say I print some functional character, deco, whatever stickers, if I have a whole sheet of little tinies and I don't want to pull them apart, stick them in here. So I got some more of those. And let's see where those are on here. Oh, sorry. My thing's out of control. So that is 40 sheet protectors for $6.99. Not terrible. All right. These are glass beads. These are 200 large hole beads. And it was $19.99. Aren't they pretty? I thought these were pretty. I'm gonna do like bag charms with these. I'm gonna do bag charms with those. Y'all want to see? If you want to see me put together a couple of bag charms, let me know in the comments. Please let me know in the comments. I will gladly do some bag charms on camera to show you. What else is it? These are angels. There are 40 little metal angels. And they were $8.49. Those are for bag charms too, probably. Then these are felting knives for pottery. Now, some people call it's very similar, not exactly like a Dolan knife. If you do pottery or some other craft that would use a Dolan knife, you know what that is. It has a super flexible blade. These are not very flexible, but I'm going to try them. And these two knives, these two felting knives for pottery, sculpting, ceramic, and polymer clay, were $5.99. And that is now all. Yay. All right, what do you think about my haul? I got some bead stuff. I got some sticker label printing sheets. I got pottery stuff. I know I don't need not one more hobby because there's still diamond painting and there's still painting. Uh, so what do you think about my haul? At least I try to find good deals. I will say that. Yes. But yes, please leave me a comment below. Um, what you think about my haul. And yeah. All right, y'all. Until next time. See y'all later. Bye, y'all.